Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at Euro Oz, as the Oz is in a little bit of a reversal zone, and what I mean by that is when we look at the strength meter we can see that the Australian dollar is at the highs of the strength meter. Okay, so that basically is telling us that the Australian dollar is one of the strongest currencies at the moment. However, it is in a point where we could start to see a reversal. Now, the only reason I'm looking for a reversal on Aussie at the moment is because the Aussie US dollar price is actually at a key resistance zone, which is making me look across the Aussie pairs to see if anything else is coming into key zones as well. So Euro Oz, I've pointed out here, is approaching this previous swing low here around about 145.62, where we could start to see some buyers re-entering the market. So if we were going to start to see that Australian dollar weakness come into the market, then we could expect maybe a change of trend here from what's developing here on Euro Aussie, because price came up, retested this structure at 153.29. We've then started to create those lower highs and lower lows, but a very aggressive move down in terms of there's very shallow retracements in the market, very aggressive price action to the downside. So typically when we get these kind of aggressive moves, we can often see a couple of weeks of a sharp pullback, and that's kind of what happened here. Price dropped quite aggressively, and then we had 2 weeks of a really sharp pullback. Are we going to see the same again? Is price going to hit this 145.63, and are we going to get a shoot back up to these previous structure highs? Now, one thing I'm going to be looking for here is when price comes back down into this zone, is if price can change trend. Now, what I mean by that is looking for those change in trend patterns. So if price can make a double bottom pattern here, I'm going to be looking for long ideas. If it can make an inverse head and shoulders pattern here, I'll be looking for long ideas as well. Ultimately, I just want to see price make a new high. So like up here, when price retested the resistance, I want to see price make a new low breakthrough there. For instance, at the moment, I want to see price take out this high at the moment, create a new high. That will allow me to be a buyer of the market. We can also look at the fact that there has been a very strong trend line resistance forming as well. So if we could potentially break to the upside here, retest around about 147, we could also look for those long ideas in line with a bit of a reversal. This is a counter trend move, so the likeliness of this move pulling off at the moment is fairly low, and it is more of an aggressive trade idea, but just keep an eye on it, because if we are going to see an aggressive pullback, it could offer us some long opportunities in the short term. So I hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch some more Forex trading content, and I'll catch you in the next video.